Frost. It's coming. Actually, it's already been here. We had a really mild frost. Zapped some of the leaves on these tomato plants. I gambled with our first frost, and it came out okay. Froze the leaves, but not the tomatoes. I'm not going to press my luck this time. All these peppers and tomatoes are coming out today. A lot of nice pepperoncinos, jalapenos. Way too many cherry tomatoes to deal with. The chickens will probably get some of these. They're not getting these though. This plant was a volunteer. I didn't plant it, it just grew. And these tomatoes are delicious. I'm going to save these seeds. Nice little orange tomato, kind of pear-shaped, and they are very sweet and delicious. I don't know what cross to make them, but it's good. It's also a heavy producer. I hope these seeds come out like these tomatoes. Got some really nice bell peppers this year. I even got a few heirloom tomatoes, and that's pretty rare for me. This is Brandywine Pink. Most of these Brandywines are still green, and that's usually what happens to me. They don't like the heat. They start to produce in the fall, and then they run out of time. Swiss chard, frost won't hurt that at all. It'll make it sweeter. And I have thousands of bean seeds to collect. The frost didn't hurt this catmint. It's growing like a weed. Volunteer dill. Dill grows like a weed in my garden. Never have to plant it. These beets can stay in the ground. Frost won't hurt them. My Colorado fig tree couldn't handle the frost. It can't handle much cold at all. Must have been just a little warmer down here on the ground. Well, let's get to it. These tomatoes and peppers won't pick themselves.
Looks to be a pretty good tomato and pepper harvest this year. Kind of amazed. This spring, everything got cut down by a hailstorm. These plants were all just sticks, but I left them alone and they grew back. This tomato variety is Bella Rosa. It's a hybrid and it does very well in the heat. Always produces well for me. I'm picking all these tomatoes today, red and green. The green ones will ripen up in a cool shed. Bell pepper plants did okay. I'm not going to have as many as I usually do.
Jalapenos.
These are pepperoncinos. They make really good pickled peppers. Not hot, and these small peppers pack into jars nicely. Anaheim peppers. Didn't get too many of these.
There's those good Brandywine pinks. Real nice.
One more thing to do to get ready for cold weather. I've got to turn the drip system off to the garden. My garden, the windmill garden, has a unique watering system. An old windmill pumps water from a shallow well up to a storage tank. Then that water feeds the drip system. To learn more about this off-grid irrigation system, watch this video right here. I'll open these solenoid valves so they can drain. And this is the drain for the entire system. There's the old air motor windmill in the background. That's the heart of the system. Not a bad harvest. Now it's time to cut and freeze peppers, and I'm not sure what to do with all these tomatoes, but I'm glad I have them. Hope to see you next time out here in Big Country at the Windmill Garden.